So the next plants we're going to look at are along our back wall. These are going to be what we call strings of things. Sort of succulents that have, depending how you look at, different shapes and different appearances. Alright, so welcome to our collections of strings of things. And strings of things are always fun because different people will see different things whenever they look at them. It's kind of like looking at clouds. Everyone sees something different. So for example, this one here, these are all different species and cultivars of Curio. It used to be called Senecio. But this one, the common name is strings of dolphins. So if you look at it closely, it looks like a bunch of dolphins that are jumping up out of the water. So you have the head on one side and then the two fins on the other side. Then another example is this one here, which some people will call string of peas or string of pearls. So either a vegetable or a piece of jewelry, depending on how you look at it. But it has these unique round ball-shaped leaves. These are actually technically succulent leaves. And since we're talking about plant adaptations and why plants do what they do and like the fuzzy leaves, things like that, this particular plant has a thin line in each of the leaves. These come from very hot, sunny, dry locations. The plant is trying to conserve water, just like the princess flower. That thin slit lets water, light into the leaf, and it actually photosynthesizes on the interior of the leaf as opposed to leaf surface like on a broadleaf plant. That way it's able to conserve more water and have a lower volume to surface ratio. So yeah, we have some other examples. Strings of beans or raindrops would be another example. And the last one, this really long silver plant back here. Depending on who you ask and who's looking at it, this is either strings of fish hooks or strings of bananas. All of these plants make really good house plants. So if you do want to try to grow them, they propagate very easily and tolerate a lot of neglect. So it's something fun to look at and see what kind of shapes you can find in these.